Nanhui Mingzhen Food Company Limited was established in 2007 and located in Chengguan Industrial Park, Taihe County. It is a comprehensive enterprise that integrates production and operation, import and export trade, and scientific research and development. We mainly produce and operate seasoning products and convenience foods, covering solid composite seasoning, liquid seasoning, semi-solid sauce seasoning, edible seasoning oil, monosodium glutamate packaging, and convenience foods. It has 3 major brands: Eminent Flavor, Blessing Record, and Future Cooking, as well as more than 10 strategic cooperative brands. The company covers an area of 45 mu, with a fixed assets investment of 200 million yuan. It has 200 employees, including 50 medium and senior technicians, with an annual output of 200,000 tons of seasonings. The company is an exclusive director unit of the China Seasoning Association and has passed the certification of ISO 9001 International Quality Management System and ISO 22000 Food Safety Management System. The company is an enterprise awarded the Taihe County Government Quality Award, a municipal leading enterprise in Fuyang City, a demonstration unit of reliable consumption in Fuyang City, a China 3.15 integrity enterprise, and a National Brand Food Product Innovation Award enterprise. Whether your company selects a product from our existing catalog or requests assistance in engineering applications, please feel free to contact our customer service center at any time and inform us of your procurement requirements.